Friends, what should we do if bananas is too ripe to eat? That's right! It's time to make banana chocolate chip muffins. This banana chocolate chip muffin recipe is super moist and soft, and it's fail-proof. First, let's prepare the banana. Be aware that the banana skin can be very sticky. Peel the banana and place it into a medium bowl. Mash the banana very well and set it aside. Now, let's preheat the oven. In a large bowl, add melted butter and brown sugar. Use an electric mixer on a medium speed to cream them until the color becomes lighter and the texture fluffy, which takes about 4 to 6 minutes. Add the mashed banana and continue mixing for 2 minutes. This helps the banana break down further. Add an egg and banana extract and mix for 1 minute. Then add milk, which is the last wet ingredient. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Add flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix for a couple of minutes until everything starts to incorporate. Switch to a spatula and scrape down the sides. Then mix for another 1 minute. The last ingredient is chocolate chips. Stir well until everything is well combined. Now let's pour the batter into the muffin liners. I like to use scoopers to help, so it doesn't get messy. Place them in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. When the baking is done, let the muffin cool in the tin for 10 minutes. Then move them to a cooling rack and let them cool for 10 more minutes. It's time to taste the muffins. They are super soft and moist, and you can taste the chocolate chips melting in your mouth. Super yummy! If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time!